Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi my YouTube friends, how are you? So today's video is all about really important basic sentences that you use in your daily life. The first is he is trembling with fear. He is trembling with fear, or you can say he is shivering or he is shaking with fear. The next is really common. This is what are you doing? What are you doing? Or in other words, you can say what are you up to? What are you up to? Now this is also really common. She is picking up the flowers. It's not flowers, but some people call it flowers, but basically it's flowers. She's picking up the flowers. Next is the food ready? So it's basically about when you are starving or you are like very hungry, then you are asking about food, and this is all about is it ready? Next is the food is so mouth-watering, means you find it really delicious or very tasty to eat. Then you can say it's so mouth-watering. Next is I am a little bit busy. I am a little bit busy, or I can say I'm a bit occupied right now. I'm busy. This is also really common. I need to use the toilet. Or a fancy name of toilet is restroom. So the both basically are same. I need to use the restroom, or whenever you go to like some restaurants or fancy place, you can say can I use the restroom, or I need to use the restroom. Or in other words, its uses can be like toilet. Next is I'm really exhausted. It's another word for the synonym of tired. Exhausted. I'm really exhausted. So this is I am taking shower, or I am taking bath. So both are correct. Both can be used. So I am taking shower means you're taking it. Currently you are in the washroom. And the very next is draw the curtains. Draw the curtains. She is drawing the curtains. Draw the curtains. Next, you want to say to someone that her dress is pretty, or her dress is gorgeous, or really like nice. So these are the words you can say whenever you want to say something really attracts you. Then you can say it's really pretty, or it's really nice. Next is the weather is torrential. So torrential is the word that you can use for a very heavy rain. When it's raining heavily, you can't say like it's raining very bad or it's raining very heavily. You can say the weather is torrential, or it's very torrential. I hope I make it clear. Next is she is making up her bed. She is making up her bed. And the very next is he is jogging, or you can say he is exercising, or like he is jogging. This is really healthy for your health, so please must do it. The next is he's leaving for school. Whenever you want to go to some other place, then you can use I am leaving for office, or you can say I'm leaving for school, or you can say I'm leaving for home. Whenever you're leaving one place for another place, then you can use leaving. Next is he is really furious. He is really furious, or you can say he's really angry. Furious is the synonym of angry. So you can use both. Next is he's really hurt, or you can say he got hurt, or you can say I think for now you can use both these sentences. I'll tell you others some other time in some other video. Next is get my phone off charging. Whenever you want to say to someone that please bring me my phone, it's on charging, you can say get my phone off charging, or you can say get my phone from charging. Next is get down, or go down, but the get down is more appropriate, so you can use get down from the table, or get down from the bed, get down from the stairs. So it can be used in many ways. Get down. Next is finish your meal. Whenever you want to say to your children that finish your meal, complete your meal, you can use this. Finish it completely, or finish your meal, finish your food, whatever he's eating. You can use the word finish. Next is she is twiddling. Twiddle is a process of when you joining both of your fingers while thinking or while you being nervous. You twiddle your fingers, so this is called twiddling. Next is he's picking up the nose. This is a really bad habit. Most of the people does it. Like, I really don't know why. In public also, in public places also, but this is really bad for all of you who are watching. So that's called picking up the nose. And the last is she's drying her clothes, or you can say she's drying her clothes. She's taking off her jacket. Both of sentences you can use. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.